Danger! Max sees something hot. Stop! Don't touch, it's very hot. Red means hot. If it glows, don't touch. Always ask a grown-up for hot things. Kitchen is safe with grown-ups. If burned, call 999. Be safe. Be a hero.